Brother D here once again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up two screens for your Atem Mini Pro. Yes, Atem Mini Pro, two different screen preview and program either on one system. The good thing is that you can have your separate screen on one monitor, which is a system, or on two different monitors. Okay, so how do you do that? Okay, you can see here on my screen I have the OBS. So all you need is OBS software, which I know is probably what you're streaming with, and you need a QuickTime software. So this is how you go about it on your, and then the one other thing that you need is a video capture card. And you can see here what I have here, if you can see very well, is Atem Mini Ultra Mini Recorder Black Magic. Okay, kindly wait, let me try and see if I can get a good angle. Just look at the screen. Just look at the screen. You should be able to see it. Okay, I think it's clearer now. Sorry for the dark view. This is Ultra Studio Mini Recorder. It doesn't have to be this. You can use any capture card. So what you will need to have that is a capture card. So with the capture card, what you will do, because the Atem Mini Pro has only one HDMI output, so you want to connect that output to the capture card and send it to your system. So you want to do that. Then you want to use the Type-C out. You want to send that one to the same system or another system, and that is the Type-C. So once those two are connected, for if you are streaming direct from your Atem Mini Pro, all you have to do is just open these two software, the QuickTime and the OBS, and you can see here on the screen that the OBS here has the preview, has the program, while the QuickTime had the preview. So here in this screen I have my monitor, I have the preview one place, and I have the program one place. So I can switch between screens, and you can see here, if I with this my mouse, camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4, so I can switch here. I can preview what I'm streaming. I can see it here before I switch to it. So that is it. But for those who want to stream using OBS but would like to have preview, it's still the same setup, just that you are going to need to tweak it. And how do we do that? You go to your Atem setup software, you open your software here, you open your software control panel, and even if you don't have the software, you can set it on the Atem hardware itself. So to set it on your software, you come here, you select the output, and you make your output multi-view. Your output here multi-view, and then if you set that one multi-view, so when you set your output multi-view, you come to QuickTime, and even you might not know how to open the QuickTime. So this is how to set up the QuickTime. You come, once the QuickTime is opened, you right click and select. You can see here new movie recording. It's because I'm already recording, that's why it's not highlighted. New movie recording. Once it's clear, once you select new movie recordings, this is the option you have. The recordings will come up, although it will not come up directly to the Atem with the Atem preview program. So on this arrow button, you click it, and when you click it, you can select what you want to use here. But I would suggest you choose the Blackmagic Ultra Studio Mini Recorder. Once that one is selected, you can see here you have your preview here. So you will now use your Type-C in the video, the Type-C record, the video capture with the Type-C that you already set the output here. So sorry for that, that's not what I mean. So you can see that the multi-view is for the Blackmagic. You can see this. So what you're then going to do on your OBS is to come here, add a scene, and if you already have a scene, you come here and you click on add. Once you click on add, now remember that this QuickTime already is on multi-view. So what you want to do is that you want to select video capture card, and then once you select the video capture card, which I already have in the selection button, you click it, you then select. Okay, sorry for that, I need to relaunch. So in the camera, you can see that I have a video capture card here. So you want to select it by highlighting it and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you are going to have the options. So you can see that in these options you have Blackmagic Design and you have Blackmagic Ultra Studio. So you want to select Blackmagic Design. Once you select the Blackmagic Design, you can see here that is grabbing my program directly. However, this is for you if you want to stream with OBS and you need a preview. So you can see here that I have on the OBS here, I have my what's it called? I have my program. On the OBS here, I have my program which I'm live on here on the other screen. However, on this QuickTime, I have my monitor which I can switch between videos. So I only have one camera input here, but you can see here is camera 1, nothing is plugged. Here is camera 2. On the OBS board, I can then switch between cameras. So here I can select the camera I want to choose, and the good thing is that I can make it big as much as I want for clarity purpose and everything. And then finally, I told you that I'm going to show you how to what you select here with software. In case you don't have the software, how you select the output in software to multi-view. So if you want to do it on the hardware, kindly look at my screen. You can see here, I'm coming, keep look. So on the board here, kindly look at the board. Look on the board here, you can see here this button. In these two buttons, in this button here, you can see this one MPV, and you can see this PGM. So when you select this PGM, once this PGM is selected, you can see that there's change already. There's change already on the QuickTime, and once you select MV, there's change already on the QuickTime. But the change does not affect on the OBS. Why? The reason why is that the change only affected the HDMI output. That is why you can see here it is called video out. So the change only affected the HDMI output. So, and this one is good. This is even the best practice to best practice, so that you can have your monitor on the movie on the QuickTime while you are streaming on OBS. Okay, I hope this is helpful. I hope I'm able to explain it as much as possible. If you have any question, kindly comment below. I'm going to respond to your question. I'm going to attend to your question by responding or make a video about it. All right, I hope this is helpful. Once again, kindly subscribe to my channel, as I'll be bringing more informative video, more like this. Okay, thank you very much, brother. This time.